I am Dr. W.P. Gandule from Kamla Nehru Mahavidyalaya, Nagpur. Today we are going to discuss the important chemical reactions of metal carbonyl. As already we have seen what is metal carbonyl, and metal carbonyl are the compound between carbon monoxide and the metal, in which the metal is in a zero or low oxidation state. And from the carbon monoxide, carbon donate electron pair to the metal and forming the complex, that is coordinate bond, and forming the complex with the metal. So important reaction of this metal carbonyl we are discussing in today's part, that is substitution reaction, formation of cationic complexes, anionic complexes, reaction with NO, what is the action of heat, what reaction with halogen. All these are the different types of reaction we are discussing related to the metal carbonyl in today's part. So today's topic is the metal carbonyl, and in this part 6 today we are discussing the important chemical reactions of metal carbonyl. As we know, there are some important reactions of metal carbonyl, and as we know, metal carbonyl undergoes different chemical reactions, and some important reactions are given here. So first important chemical reaction of metal carbonyl is a substitution reaction. As we know, substitution reaction, here from the metal carbonyl we can substitute some another ligand in place of CO ligand. So one or more CO carbon monoxide or carbonyl group can be removed, and in place of that we can substitute cyclopentadiene, PR3 triethylphosphine, alkyl cyanide, alkyl thiocyanate. These are the ligand can be substituted in place of carbonyl ligand. So in this reaction, one or more carbon monoxide ligand or carbonyl group attached to the metal can be replaced. So what is in this case, one or more CO ligand, that is carbonyl ligand, attached to the metal can be replaced by other ligand like PR3, RCN, RNC here, and cyclopentadiene like that, and the reaction, these reaction proceed in the presence of UV light. So in the presence of UV light the reaction take place. Some examples are given, that is the CrCO6. In the presence of UV light there is a removal of one CO and now becomes CrCO5, and this is the intermediate, then addition of PR3 taking place, so CrCO5 PR3. So this is substitution. One of the CO group is replaced by the PR3. So one ligand CO is replaced by another ligand. This substitution is taking place in place of carbonyl group. In the similar type of reactions are here. FeCO5 undergo reaction in the presence of UV light, and in this case there is a removal of 2 CO, and therefore it becomes FeCO3, and addition of 2 ligand. So what is now here, FeCO3L2, L may be PR3 or RCN or RNC. So these are the reactions of substitution. Another reaction is given here, Fe2CO9. In presence of UV light there is a removal of 6 CO molecules and we obtain Fe2CO4, and after removal of the 5 CO we obtain Fe2CO4. Now addition of 4 NO is a ligand, nitrosyl, we get then Fe2 molecules of ApCO2NO2, because CO are 4, NO are 4, so 2 twice. So in this way we obtain the product by the substitution reaction. Some more reactions are given here in case of substitution reaction. As we have seen, this is ammonia is substituted in place of CO, and we obtain, these are the 2 molecules, so we obtain Ni2, CO3, NH3 and 5CO get AH. So in this way total CO are here 4 into 2 8, so here 5 and this 3 8. So in this type of 1 CO or 2 CO can be replaced by the another ligand, here ammonia. In this case also MoCO6 and 3 molecules of ammonia, we get MoCO3, NH3 and 3 CO get replaced. So in place of 3 CO, ammonia is there, we get this type of product. Another example is chromium hexacarbonyl, 2 molecules react with the pyridine, and now Cr2 CO7 C5H5N2 and 5CO get released. So similar type of reaction is here. When we take 2 molecules of Fe3CO12 and again with the reaction with the C5H5N, we obtain Fe3CO9 C5H5N3. This is the main product, and 3 FeCO5 get formed. In case of NiCO4, 4 CNR and forming nickel CNR4 and 4 CO get released. In FeCO5, again now 2 molecules of CNR, so 2 CO get released, and in place of 2 CO, here 2 molecules of CNR. Another Mn2CO2 and PR3, so in place of this 2 CO get released and 2 molecules of PR3 is here. So 2 molecules are here, so we can write in this way. So 2 manganese are there, so twice Mn, CO4, PR3. Another NiCO4 react with PCl3 forming NiPCl3 and 4 CO get released. And another is Fe3CO12, 3 CSCOH, Fe3CO9, CSCOH thrice, and Fe. This is methyl alcohol. Methanol is here 3, and 3 FeCO5 is formed. So in this way, these are the substitution reaction. Different types of ligand can be substituted in place of CO carbonyl group in the metal nitrogen. Second reaction is formation of anionic carbonyl complex or carbonylate anion. And in this complex is formed, carbonyl complex is formed, which is negatively charged, and therefore it is known as anionic carbonyl complex or carbonylate anion. So in this case, many metal carbonyl forms carbonylate anion like FeCO4 2 minus, CrCO5 2 minus, COCO4 2 minus, and all these anions can be prepared by any one of these methods. A and B are there. So these are carbonyls complex anion can be formed, and these are the carbonyl anion having negatively charged complex ion. So by the action of alkaline alkali NaOH, we obtain anionic carbonyl complex. So here, when FeCO5 react with the NaOH alkali, 2 molecules of NaOH, we obtain Na2, FeCO4 and 2 minus is there. So in this way we obtain this Na2, FeCO4 and 2 minus, and here H2O and CO2 is released. Another reaction is given here. FeCO5 will react with ammonia or water. This is the nitrogenous base, and here it forms NH4 twice, 2 hydrogen added. So NH4 1 hydrogen and NH4 2 plus FeCO4 and CO get released. And so these are the these are the reaction taking place by the action of alkali, that is NaOH. Second reaction by the reduction of carbonyl by alkali metal or alkali metal hydride. So in this case, chromium hexacarbonyl react with sodium ammonia alkali metal as a reducing agent. This is the reducing agent, and forming Na2. These are the 2 molecules of sodium metal, Na2, CrCO5 2 minus, and 1 CO get released. Another reaction is given here, CrCO6 sodium borohydride NaBH4 as a reducing agent in presence of THF, forming Na plus HCr2 CO10. So we have to take here 2 molecules of CrCO6. And another reaction, CO2CO8 react with the sodium amalgam, and 2 molecules we have to take here, so 2 Na plus CO4 minus. So all these are the negatively charged complex formed, which are known as carbonylated anion or carbonylated complex, so which is having negatively charged on the complex ion. So these are the reaction. Second, formation of, we can say, formation of anionic carbonyl complex, also known as the carbonylate anion. Now third important reaction, some more reactions are here. Formation of carbonylated anion or metal of the metal carbonyl. See here different types of reactions are NaOH react with FeCO5, we get Na plus H plus Fe2 minus CO4 minus. So this is the and sodium carbonate water. Another Fe2CO9 react with the sodium metal forming twice Na2 FeCO4 2 minus and 1 CO get released. Fe2CO9 also react with the KOH and methanol and we obtain Et4En and Fe2CO8 2 minus. Another here Fe3CO12 sodium react with this 3Na FeCO4 minus. So in this way, so many reactions are there where a negatively charged complex ion are formed. Fe2CO2CO8 sodium amalgam already we have seen forming this type of complex. Ml2CO10 react with sodium amalgam in presence of THF forming twice Na plus Mn CO5 minus. Re2CO10 sodium borohydride THF, so Na2 Re4 CO16 2 minus. CrCO6 reacts with the sodium borohydride NaBH4 in presence of TH4 THF tetrahydrofuran, we get Na plus HCl2 CO10 minus. In this case also we obtain this type of product. So these are the complexes formed, carbonylated complex which have negative charge. So number of reactions are there in this case of the second reaction, that is the formation of anion carbonyl complex, also known as the carbonylate anion. Third important reaction is formation of cationic carbonyl complex. Now we have seen negatively charged, now the complex formed is a positively charged. So in this case carbonylate cation can also be obtained from the metal carbonyl by the reactions. Two are there, A and B. So by promotion of carbonyl with the strong acid, by the promotion of carbonyl with the strong acid. So in this case FeCO5 react with the HCl in place of BCl3 and forming H protonated. So proton is here, H is here, H FeCO5. So this is H plus from this FeCO5. So H FeCO5 plus, because proton is promotion of carbonyl with the strong acid by protonation. So the proton is supplied and here is there H plus, so complex are positive charge which is known as carbonylate cation and BCl4. H यहाँ पे आ जाता है और Cl इसके साथ कंबाइन होकर BCl4 माइनस निकल जाता है. Another reaction by the action of carbon monoxide and AlCl3 on the carbonyl halide. In this case, see the reaction MnCO5Cl react with carbon monoxide in presence of AlCl3. We obtain MnCO6, the CO5 and the CO6 plus, and AlCl4 minus is the other product. So in this way, complex ion is a positively charged. And fourth reaction is formation of carbonyl halide. In this case, now we get carbonyl halide, and carbonyl halide are obtained by the action of halogen like F2Cl2 or Br2 or I2 on the metal carbonyl. So metal carbonyl reacts with the halogen like F2Cl2, Br2, I2. Halogens are fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and giving the carbonyl halides. So see the reaction. MoCO6 2 molecule react with the 2 molecules of chlorine and forming twice MoCO4 Cl2 and 4 CO get released again. So total CO are here are the 8 and 4 12. Here 6 2. So what is 12? So this is the carbonyl halide. This is the carbonyl halide. And second reaction is given also here. FeCO5 react with the iodine and forming FeCO4 I2 and plus 1 CO get released. So this is the carbonyl halide. So FeCO4 I2. So formation of carbonyl halide take place when halogen react with the metal carbonyl. Another reaction, action of halogen is shown here. FeCO5 react with the X2 means halogen, and in this case of halogen, it is shown any X2 means halogen, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and forming FeCO4, H2 and CO get released. Another MoCO6Cl2 forming MoCO4Cl2 and 2CO get released. In this case also Mn2CO10 X2 twice MnCO5X and X may be Br or I. So these are the action of halogen. A reaction with halogen with the metal, halogen react with the metal carbonyl and forming different halogenated product. Next number reaction 5, formation of metal carbonyl halides, and in this case some of the metal carbonyl when dissolved in alkali, then metal carbonyl hydrides are formed. Here should be a metal carbonyl hydride, not halide, hydride. So number 5 reaction, in this case formation of metal, in this case the formation of metal carbonyl hydride is taking place. So here is not a halide, this is hydride, metal carbonyl hydride. Some metal carbonyl when dissolved in alkali, then metal carbonyl hydrides are formed. So we can say that metal hydrides are formed, so from the metal carbonyl. So here when it reacts with the alkali, so simply we can say that metal carbonyl when react with the alkali forming carbonyl, metal carbonyl halide, hydride. This is the metal carbonyl hydride. So see the reaction when FeCO5, this is the example, FeCO5 react with 2 molecules of OH minus alkali, we get FeCO4 H2 and CO3 2 minus. So यहाँ से H2 वहाँ पे आता है, एक ऑक्सीजन, 2 ऑक्सीजन यहाँ पे, एक CO यहाँ से निकलता है CO4, तो CO3 2 minus is the product. So here this is the iron tetracarbonyl hydride. Another reaction NiCO4 2 OH minus reaction with alkali, then form NiCO3H2 and CO3 2 minus is the other product. In this way metal carbonyl hydride. So in this case nickel tricarbonyl hydride is the product. So metal carbonyl hydride formed when it react with the alkali. Number 6, what is the action of heat now here? So in this case when we heat the metal carbonyl, they decompose upon heating, and examples are given here, and during heating some molecules of CO get released, and see here when we take NiCO4, when it is heated at 180 degrees Celsius forming nickel and 4CO gas, carbon monoxide gas are released. In case of second FeCO5 at 250 degrees Celsius, when we heat, then what is Fe metal is formed and 5 CO get released. In the third reaction 2 molecules of Fe2CO9 at 70 degrees Celsius forming FeCO5 and Fe3CO12 and 1 CO get released. In the fourth reaction thrice Fe2CO9 at 50 degrees Celsius forming twice Fe3CO12, 3 molecules of CO get released. In this case Fe3CO12 at 140 degrees Celsius 3 Fe are formed and what is 12 CO get released. In this case CO2CO8 2 molecules at 50 degrees Celsius we get CO4 CO12 and 4 molecules of CO get released. So in this way upon heating metal carbonyl decompose and forming this type of metal and the carbon monoxide. Seventh reaction is the action of hydrogen. So we can say that here carbonyl also forms carbonyl hydride by the partial replacement of CO group by the hydrogen. So there is a replacement of CO group by the hydrogen and forming hydride. So reaction with hydrogen, we can say that metal carbonyl react with the hydrogen forming metal hydride. See the reaction CO2CO8 plus hydrogen at this temperature 165 degrees Celsius and 200 atmospheric pressure, 2 molecules are formed H plus CO minus and CO4. So here twice. So we have taken 2 hydrogens are there, 2 CO and 4 8 are there. So H plus CO minus CO4. This is the compound is formed. Another reaction Mn2CO10 with hydrogen and we get here again 2 molecules of H plus Mn minus CO5. In this way we get a reaction with hydrogen and we obtain hydride, carbonyl hydrides products are formed. So there is a reaction with hydrogen and under suitable temperature and pressure we obtain different types of carbonyl hydrides. And next reaction is number 8. What is the action of NO now? So in case of action of NO, metal carbonyl react with the nitric oxide. NO means nitric oxide. When metal carbonyl react with the nitric oxide, then NO replace the CO group and form nitrosyl compound. So here CO group of the carbonyl is replaced by the NO group. So reactions are given here. FeCO5 react with the two molecules of NO at this temperature 95 degrees Celsius. FeCO2 and NO2 and 3 molecules of CO get released. So in this way we get the product. So here इसमें से 3 CO निकल जाते हैं और यहाँ पे 2 CO बचे, 2 CO2 और 2 NO यहाँ पे ऐसे आ जाते हैं. So this is the compound formed, nitrosyl compound. Another reaction, 3 molecules of Fe3CO9 react with the 4 NO, we get twice FeCO2 NO2 and another one molecule FeCO5 and Fe3CO12 and 6 CO get released. In this case Fe3CO12 react with the 6 NO at 85 degrees Celsius. So we get 3 molecules of FeCO2 NO2 and 6 CO get released. Total CO are here 6 and here are 6. So total CO are 12. So in this way we get this product. CO2 CO8 react with NO at 40 degrees Celsius, we get twice CO, CO3, NO and 2 CO get released. So this is the action of nitric oxide, also known as the NO. So metal carbonyl undergoes different reactions and important reactions we have discussed. And so in today's part, as we have seen, the substitution reaction and the formation of negatively charged complex, positively charged complex, reaction with halogen, reaction with hydrogen, reaction with NO. So different types of chemical reactions are there of metal carbonyl. So what important reactions of metal carbonyl we have discussed in today's part. So it is an important compound, metal carbonyl, which is commonly known as the metal carbonyl, and these there are some methods of preparation already we have discussed in the last part, and now today we have discussed the what are the important chemical reaction. Total we have seen the 8 reaction about the important chemical reaction of the metal carbonyl.